Light northerly. There's a few fish in here. Let's go and get them. Rightio, fisherman. Got a fish on. It's been droughty. Hasn't been much here, eh? Hopefully it's a reasonable fish. Got a bit of weight to it. Everything else has been under 6 inches or skinnier than a wet sock. And I mean a skinny black sock. Come on, fishy. Gonna drag up a bit, I think. Get this fella to the net. Oh yeah, it's a good sized fish. Ah. Well, that's the biggest rainbow I've caught here this year. Mind you, haven't been fishing here much. That's all good. The hen. She can go back to where she came from. Goodbye. See you, mate.